Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
So peak temperatures aren't that warm, but the sun is shining, so we are seeing a little bit of melting going on at the same time.
Yeah, anytime the sun hits part of the road or the treated surfaces, can see some melting, but overall still cold enough to not give us a whole lot of melting, unfortunately.
Well, we're done.
We're done? I was waiting for your positive comment.
I know. My positive comment is the sun is shining. A lot of people are certainly happy about that.
That's right. Let's take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12. Now, mixed in with the sunshine, we have seen a few scattered flurries here and there. Even over the capital city, we saw a few flakes, but most of the snowflakes are out across eastern Massachusetts and the Cape, and it'll push through over the next few hours. So quiet today and tomorrow. We still have to watch the ice out there despite some of the melting we've seen out there. Those sidewalks and especially those parking lots still a hazard. A wintry mix on the way for Saturday. This one could be both rain and snow in a mix with sleet and some ice. So unfortunately another storm to track as we go into the weekend. Brad in Cumberland says it's cold and windy under mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures in the low 20s. Jim in North Smithfield, cold and overcast. His temperature 21. And Robert in Fall River, mostly cloudy, also cold with a temperature of 29. Over the capital city, I did see a few flakes flying about 15 minutes ago. Right now, we're not seeing a whole lot. Temperature 23 degrees. Winds are out of the north at 12 miles an hour. A little bit brisk out there. Certainly a chilly afternoon, mixed in with a little bit of sunshine. You can see the tail edge of that disturbance moving through today, giving us a few snow showers. But again, these will continue to push down to the south. So the trend throughout the afternoon and evening will be to dry these skies out. In fact, speaking of dry skies, this is nice to see. Notice the clear swath of real estate off to our north and west. This is what we get for tonight and tomorrow. Should see plenty of sunshine to end the work week and a little bit of sunshine out there today as well. 1 o'clock, we're at 25 degrees. 3 o'clock, still the chance of a stray flurry. Not expecting any accumulation, though. 26 is your temperature. And by 5 o'clock, 24 degrees as the clouds start to push away. We go hour by hour with our Futurecast. This is 9 o'clock tonight. Notice a few clouds around. But by very late tonight through early tomorrow morning, we clear the skies out. And by tomorrow afternoon, a decent amount of sunshine to enjoy. So a mix of sun and clouds today, perhaps an isolated flurry. 26 in West Greenwich, 29 in Westerly. A little bit cooler here in northern Rhode Island, mid-20s, 25 in Chepachet, Woonsocket, 25 degrees, West Warwick, 27, and Pawtucket also at 27. And for eastern Massachusetts, this will be the most likely spot to see some of these lingering flurries, especially these ocean effect flurries across Plymouth County, Massachusetts. Other than that, we dry things out with temperatures in the upper 20s. Tonight, because of the clear skies and the decreasing winds, temperatures will tumble down to 15 degrees by 10 o'clock. Midnight, we're at 13 degrees, and I think by very early tomorrow morning, we're at around 10 degrees in the capital city, with some of our suburbs possibly a little colder. 34 by tomorrow afternoon, so not a bad way to end the work week. And then we have to talk about Saturday. Now, at this point, it looks like a combination of both rain and snow. Starting out as primarily rain on Saturday. However, there could be a few spots, especially north and west of Providence, that start out as some sleet or even freezing rain. And then we change over to snow at the end of the system. That would be very late Saturday night through early Sunday morning. And by Sunday afternoon, we dry things out. So, obviously, the more rain we get, the less in the way of accumulation we would see. We'll continue to track this because any little shift could mean more snow accumulation for us. And then another potential storm on Tuesday. Hooray! You can watch Cox Digital Cable Channel 125 for the latest weather updates. So the active weather pattern continues here in the Weather Center.
Okay, thanks for the update, Pete.
Yep.